Hello everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. Today I'm going to answer a question that a lot of people ask us. How can I get Wi-Fi into homes when I set up Wi-Fi for my community? Okay, and so the answer is in two parts. The first part is you need to set up a central antenna. Here's the STAR-15 kit. We have a video about this, how to configure it and set it up. There's a controller and wireless that goes inside the home that connects to an antenna on the roof via Ethernet cable. This is a wireless access point. Now this can radiate around the home or the building for a kilometer. However, you cannot connect a mobile phone over a kilometer. A mobile phone like this has a limited range, maybe 50 to 100 meters. That's not because of the wireless access point, that's because of the phone. The phone has a tiny little antenna. It has the basic minimum Wi-Fi chip. It's intended for connection to a Wi-Fi in the home, not for longer distances. A good iPhone maybe communicates with this over 100 meters. This type of phone, an Android, might only communicate 40 or 50 meters. So, if we have a home that's a kilometer away, how do we get that Wi-Fi signal into the home? Certainly, people inside the home are not going to be able to pick up this signal with a mobile phone. So we have to put two pieces of equipment inside the home. The first is an antenna which goes on the roof. This is a receiver and antenna. It's called a client premise equipment. That's the fancy name. But it points towards the central antenna. It's got a directional antenna. And then an Ethernet cable takes the Wi-Fi connection down inside the home. That's not enough to connect to the Wi-Fi, because what we have to do is connect this to a wireless router inside the home via Ethernet cables. And once we have that connected to the wireless router inside the home, then we can connect our phones to the wireless router over a short distance. And so this is called the STAR-4 kit. We sell it as a pre-configured kit ready to install in the homes, and it's very economical, a very economical method of putting Wi-Fi in the home. So once you have the central antenna, in this case the STAR-15 kit, you can connect a number of homes, maybe 20 or 25 homes to this central antenna. So it's quite economical from that point of view. Now, once we have Wi-Fi in the homes, then we're going to control the access. We're going to maybe charge people for that Wi-Fi. And so we use the guest internet controller to print vouchers like this. We print sheets of vouchers, and we can chop up these vouchers to give vouchers to people, like this one, for example. Each one has a unique code which people then type in to get access into their homes. You can also set up mobile money billing with this guest internet controller if you want to do that. And once you have a mobile money account, there's no limit to the number of guest internet controllers. You can put controllers around a city or around the country if you want to do that. So that's the way it's done. We have a lot of information that we can give to you. It's already downloads in PDF format, easy to read. And so that tells you exactly how to connect up this equipment and how to get Wi-Fi into the home from a central antenna. Please contact us if you have questions. If you want copies of the documentation, we'll be very happy to provide you with the documents. Okay? Well, thanks for watching, and see you next time.